Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money from your website. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about a few tips that you can use to start making money with your website. So, chances are, if you're watching this video, you've already made a website and you're looking to learn different methods on how to make money from your website. And if you're looking to create your own website, then I'm gonna leave a link to another video by another YouTuber who covers how to make your own website step by step. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, you can check out that link. But for those of you who are looking for tips when it comes to making money with your website, I'm gonna be sharing that with you in this video. But before I get into that, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into this video. So, if you've already made your own website and you're looking to monetize it, the first tip that I want to share with you is to have your own product. So maybe this is the whole reason why you created your own website in the first place, is to sell your own product. Now, it can be a digital product or a physical product. Maybe you're selling t-shirts or maybe you're selling online courses. This is a great way to monetize your website. So the benefit about selling your own product on your website is that you set the price that you want to charge and you make most of the commission. Maybe you have your own fees to pay on the side, the cost of making a product if it's a physical product, or if it's a digital product, the profit margin is even bigger for you. The second way that you can use your website to start making money is by having banner ads. So if you can get a good amount of traffic coming to your website on a regular basis, you can have people place their banner ads on your homepage or any other page that you have on your website, and they're gonna pay you for that. But this is if you can show that you have a steady amount of traffic coming to your website on a regular basis. Now, the second way that you can monetize your website is by affiliate marketing. So if you don't have your own product to sell on your website, you can promote somebody else's product online. So this is a great way to make money online because, like I mentioned, you don't have to have your own products to sell in order to start making money. You don't have to worry about shipping anything out or dealing with any returns. Now, the way affiliate marketing works is that you sign up with an affiliate program, and when you join an affiliate program, they give you what's called an affiliate link to maybe any product that they have. And whenever somebody clicks on that link and they buy the product that you're promoting, then you make a commission. Now, I talk about affiliate marketing in detail in other videos that I've done in the past, and I'm going to leave a link in the cards so you can check it out if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing. So the next way that you can make money with your website is through donations. So if people believe in your cause, then they're more likely to donate to you. It's pretty simple to accept donations. You could sign up with Patreon and just simply have a donate button on your homepage. It depends on what your website is about. But if people relate to the message that you're putting out there on your website, then you're gonna have a few people here and there donating to you. Now, the fifth way that you can start earning money with your website is through drop shipping. So this is similar to affiliate marketing, but it's kind of like you're posting a product and calling it your own, but all you're doing is posting a product and having it shipped to your customer from another website. So most people who create their own websites, they use drop shipping and they get their supplier from Chinese wholesale website. So let's say, for example, you post a product on your website. It can be, let's say, a cell phone case. If people order your cell phone case, you just simply go to a Chinese wholesale website and then you have it shipped to the customer. So you're not putting any money up front and you don't have to ship the product out yourself. And the last thing that I wanted to share with you guys when it comes to making money with your website is by selling a service. So this all depends on what your website is about. So for example, you can sell your service to people who are willing to pay for it. So if your website is about relationship advice and dating, if you're a dating coach, you can have people pay to have a one-on-one phone call with you, or maybe even on Skype, where you're giving them relationship advice. And you can charge people a decent amount of money for this if you know what you're talking about and they're getting value and it's benefiting them. So this is another way that you can make money with your website. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any other tips when it comes to making money with your website. And if you want my #1 recommendation when it comes to earning a full-time income online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description below. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.